Big plans, Good morning, good afternoon to the UK people. How's everyone? I need to adjust this. You don't need to see my watermelon in my kitchen. Let's see if that's better. Maybe. How's everyone doing? Let's see. Manusos, I miss London Live. I miss it too. I can't wake up at 3 o'clock though, guys. No way. Not happening. Unless it's my son waking me up. I need to change this. Right. Mr. Bazooka, missed those London sessions, I agree. You have to wait for another month and then we'll be back in Bali, which we'll be doing mainly the London session. So this is an opportunity for the American guys. Eastern Central Time. You get a bit of a chance to see some lives. Who we got? This time is perfect, Dion. Chromebook trader, nice to see you. Loyalty Fiamity, nice to see you again. Janice is in, familiar names, Dan, Anna, Corpez, Arshad, Rich, hello Rich, a fellow Vanguard. Tell me about it. I was on the wrong side of a sell until this move. London would have been lovely to play. Let's have a look at the charts. Rich, Hugo, Rafa, DXYs, super. A lot of people in. AnFX, good afternoon. I missed having the chat in the background. I appreciate that. Leoma. Good to see you guys. I have been on a, what is it, 3 weeks now? 3 weeks holiday. It's been good. It's been really, really good. Feel refreshed. We keep me posted on how the internet is going. I think it's okay. I've got it in the background. Got good coffee. Good coffee. Oh, that's good. That's good. We also have Ragnar in the house. Ragnar setting up in Boston. Don't know if the Vikings ever saw Boston, but they are today. So for the new people, Ragnar is back. And Ragnar is our main strategist when it comes to trading. So we're going to jump onto the charts. We're going to see where everything is lying. Also, today, I've bought, I've been quite bad. I have bought, let's go back to our charts. I have bought 2 challenges. And let's see, that's better. 2 challenges, which we're going to go through. I have been in touch with the Fivers. You know I love the Fivers, and they've basically made it all real for me. So they pay me every month. It's been brilliant. And they are announcing that they're going to be doing the 3% daily drawdown, which that's going to be really tough for me. Not that I like every day go into 3% drawdown, but having that 3% drawdown there just creates a little bit of a psychological effect on my trading. So no way, the Chromebook is 40 minutes north of Boston in Lowell. I'm in the Berkshires. Berkshires. So I believe that is, let's see where you are. Let's see. That would be so cool to meet the Chromebook. And would you like to see that? Have a live with the Chromebook trader. That would be cool. Let's see where that is. I know a lot of people are eager for the charts, but you know when you come back at work and you don't remember your codes, you don't remember your emails. That's where I am now. I need to like take it slow and we'll get back onto it. Chromebook is in Lowell. I'm pronouncing that Lowell. How do you pronounce that? Right, from here, we are, give me maps, directions. Where are we? Oh, I missed this music. Pretty cool music. Choose destination. All right, let's see how far we are from the Chromebook. Oh, we're quite far. We're quite far. 2 hours and 30 minutes. It's quite a trip. I would need to get special approval from the wife and son to be able to leave for that long. Right, let's see these charts. Pound dollar, or AKA pound consolidation dollar. That's what's been happening on the pound dollar. Where is my trading view? Where is my trading view? All right, well, I'm going to tell you about a few things. First of all, about the 2 new challenges that I'm going to be doing. So people that are on the school of the funded trader, I'm going to be doing a standard challenge from them. And I'm also going to be, I've just opened another, actually it's not a challenge, it's an instant account. I just want to check them out. Instant funding account. They're UK based. I like that they don't have any daily, let's bring this up actually. With the new announcement from the Fivers, I really got scared, man. I really, and I'm always going to be honest on this channel. I can't lie about my feelings and what's going on. So I generally got scared in terms of that, you know, overnight someone can say, we're changing this. And then it's like suddenly I can't do things that I'm normally doing. That's the thing with prop firms. It's like it's not your account, it's their money you're trading. So any moment they can change things and it can make you uncomfortable for you. I'm 100% sure that I'm going to work it out with the Fivers and it's going to be good as always. But for now, it's I've just left my swing trade like live to see what the deal is, because this is happening in September. And then I've opened these to trade, what's it called? To trade these, to check them out whilst I'm waiting. So I opened this instant account. This is a 10K instant account. And let's look at that. Profit target, no. So obviously whatever I'm making, they get commissions. It's already instant funded, so you're funded straight away. Daily loss, no limit. That is really cool. So that was what the bootcamp has always been. So we'll see. What's happened with the Fivers? Nothing's happened with the Fivers. My 269,000 is waiting for me to trade it. But I'm just going to be waiting a little bit until the decision in September about the 3%. Max loss limit, conventional 8, double conventional 16. I've gone for something that they call smart, I believe. I need to check that. Time limit, obviously no time limit. Scale speed, they double the account every time you return 10%. Starting balance times scale limit. EA is allowed, copy traders allowed, which is great. Can trade news, yes. Can hold overnight, yes. Can hold over the weekends, yes. So this has ticked everything that I need. So if you know, I wanted to have another option. Obviously, Fivers is my main account, but I wanted to see. I'm gonna check these out. Obviously, we're gonna trade it, see how it does, see how the payouts are doing. So we got that one, and then I did go on a spending spree. And the second one, let's have a look. And then we need to check the charts. Right, the next one is called the Funded Trader. Where's my dashboard? On this one I've done, this is going to be a challenge. So this is not funded straight away. It's the standard challenge. So I'm looking to get 10%, 10,000 daily loss. They have a daily loss, but it's bigger. So this is 5%, I believe. Well, a bit more actually. 6,000, so 94,000 daily loss. So that's okay. That's on 100,000, so that's not too bad. And then maximum loss that they would take the account, and it's a demo account, 88,000. Funny story. These guys are from 8cap. That's the main broker that they use. So in order to get this, I thought I had to go and activate 8cap. So I went on their website, did all their what's it called, like to join 8cap, and I got a phone call because I had an American I had an American phone, and they were like, we don't deal with America, we can't trade America. So all that was sorted out. So now they've actually opened an 8cap broker account if I need it. Look at this, guys. Right, let's clear charts. US dollar index, what are you up to? Sell side, just taken out there. This is something that there was. Can I take this back? Undo. Yeah, look at this. We talked about this. Buy side liquidity. 3 weeks. It ended up taking it today, or actually the 18th. Came back down. 103. Remember we talked about that number. Got breached. Let's get rid of all this now. Let's look at the weekly picture. Market sessions. Dollar's been dropping, but we're starting to see, like, look at this. Let's do some geometry. Let me see if you're seeing my screen. Been so long off my game. You are seeing my screen. That's okay. You see this move? That's one part of the story. And then now we're starting to see. How do I rotate this? There we go. To see this part of the story. I think we need monthly levels here because this is quite choppy pushing up. It is a strong push up. Let's get rid of this. Now you can see more. Monthly level. Let's go our friend Fib. Take the low. The reason I've taken this low is because that retraced nearly to 100%, so we don't discount that area. Right, right into that golden zone of 61.8. Look at that. Wow. Nice little fair value gap there. Fair value gap there. Monthly. Let's add some nice little lines in here. Then we need another one. Raphael, hi Yanis, how are you? Nice to see you. Welcome back. It's good to see you guys. So many familiar faces. Yeah, instant funding is what it was called. You will be all successful with all three companies, Sean. Yeah, I mean, I only was trading in Fivers, and to be honest, that's going to be my main broker. But I just got a little bit scared with changes into, you know, when you've been trading something for so long and it's been doing well, you're quite getting familiar with it. You're getting into the groove and suddenly something changes. You're like, oh my God, now what? Can't do repositioning? We're just going to put all the levels in. We don't need all of them, but because it's a monthly and price has been quite aggressive, right? So this is a period of June 21st to September 22nd. And then we've had 1, 2. So let's measure this. This has been 27% push compared to 15 within 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So pretty much in a year's time. And then we had the dollar strength from 21, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 2, 4, like roughly a year and a half. This is a big move, Right, so we've taken monthly. That's the picture. So now the question is, where is this going next? Obviously we have buy side above here, buy side above here, fair value gap there. This has been tapped into. Everything is setting nice for a bullish move, which is, if you're looking for, I'm just looking at text as well. The Crypto Queen, does instant funding take US clients? I don't know, because I register with my UK address. So I don't know, unfortunately. Let's see, actually, let's do a little mini Q&A. Paul. What? Let's see how many we've got in here. Fivers, TFT, what's the other one? Instant funding, and let's go with other. Well, you can answer this poll and we'll keep an eye and see what that after. We've only got 100 people in here, so it's normal after being away for so long. 50% starting on. So most of them are fivers, which is good. Oh, we do have some TFT in here and other. Actually, I should have added the FTMO in there instead of other. So I'm guessing the other is FTMO. But we'll see. All right, so we've drawn that. What's the picture here? Let's see. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look, that's just insane. This is a monthly chart. What? Is that to the pip? Pretty much the pip on that fair value gap. Nuts. Nuts. And look at the number. 114. Scary stuff. Actually, I do have a template Pricely label. We need to change that to 114. Fivers because of me. I like the fivers, guys. I'm just I'm going through a grief moment of giving me a daily drawdown. I'm sure it'll be fine. I just need to get used to it. Monthly fair value gap. So that's the story of the USD. So obviously we've got buy side here, which is in the 120s. Actually, yeah, 120, that is buy side there. The Chromebook Trader, the Funded Trading Plus. Oh, my video is stuck. Let's see. It is stuck. Has it run out of battery? It has. Right, let's change that camera. Okay, we should be back. Let's go. Give me a second. I need to change all these beautiful scenes. Video. There we go. That one. And we also need to change Ragnar. Ragnar needs to change as well. Pound dollar tapping into this fair value gap now. Give me. Okay. Change that. Right, we need to think of what we're going to trade on these. So this is a 10,000 account, an actual 10,000 account, and the funded trader is a 100,000 account. So we need to put our brains to work. Let's see if the camera has been sorted. Not yet. Where is it? Where is it? Preferences. I should do it. Everything's just stuck. Oh well, first day. Things like that happen. I don't think we're going to need Ragnar that much anyway. So let's see. 47%, oh no, 43% other. So 40% fibers. TFT, 11% instant funds. 6%. Oh, there are some instant funding traders in here. I would love to, if you write a comment, it will be interesting to see who you are and what your experience has been with them, because they sound really good. I actually heard them for the first time on a Fibers interview. They were interviewing a risk analyst, and he mentioned it. So I just thought I'd check them out. I do like this. I do like this. My question is, where is my trading buttons? Come on, Fibers people. Tell me how I can get my trading buttons. Instant trade, it must be... Why is it not letting me? This is interesting. What about the TFT? Do. Come on. All right, we can trade this. Don't know why I can't trade my instant fund. All right, so TFT, let's see what's our leverage. Where can I find that? Count overview. So I have a 5% daily and 10% maximum drawdown. So I need to return. Oh, you're not seeing this, are you? So I need to return 10%. First withdrawal. I think on this I have to close my trades. Oh no, I'm not sure. I need to be sure what I'm trading here. Yeah. Balance under daily drawdown. EA Terry copiers news. Let's see the frequently asked questions. 90% profit split. That's cool. Up to that. Sell side tapped in. The loyalty family. Fivers have a similar program as one you have with TFT. I feel you misunderstood them. No, it's mainly the drawdown. So it's 3%. TFT give you 5%. So gives you a little bit more way room on a daily, the daily trading. So we'll see. Let's see how it behaves here. Let's go back onto Trading View. Let's go down to the weekly. We're still on the DXY. What can happen here? We've got a push. We went straight into that golden zone. This is the 50%. This is the 61A. Pushing back up. We've got this here we need to break out for a bullish move. Where it's on now. If that gets rejected, where is the next stop? We're looking for back push into this area. Into the 99s. Where did that stop? 99.5. I had problem with Fivers today. They withdrew bigger amount than I have in my account. You withdraw more money? Maria, this is why I think it's good to just gradually collect challenges. Right, so this is my plan, guys. I've changed my plan. I generally thought that my income is going to be from the prop firms, but this has changed my mindset around it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to trade prop until I get a big enough account to trade my own account. That's going to be the way. Because then you don't have to rely on rules or prop firms and so on. I understand like the rules, they have to be rules. I would like to see more, like if you've proven you can do certain stuff with trading, the props should adjust to you, not as a, anyone who's just done a challenge. Someone who has experience of 1 day of trading can't be the same level with someone who's done it for 4 years with proven records. So that's something that needs to change in the prop world. If the prop world is listening, I think there needs to be more individuality. Everything in the world now is going towards that, like the individual person. So how do you adjust to the individual person? Yes, Chromebook trader, that's the plan. I think what I'll do is I'll take out as minimum as possible to be able to fund all the stuff that we want to do in life. And then the rest, instead of leaving it in the prop firm, here's my issue with the 3% drawdown. Let's take an account where if the month comes and I've made 10K and I take out 5K, then I leave 5K into the account. What was working really well with prop firms, well, with the bootcamp, was that I could increase that buffer. I could make it really big. I can make it like 50, 60K. So now if I don't get things right in a day and repositioning has to be a bit bigger, I don't mind. I can wait it out. I can swing trade it. You know, instead of like, but the problem is now with the 3% daily drawdown, doesn't matter if I have 12% in the account, that's still gonna close my trades after 3% drawdown. So for me, it doesn't work. It just doesn't make any logical sense. It makes logical sense if you're a risk analyst for the prop firm, because you don't, as a risk analyst, you don't want to see big fluctuations, right? You don't want to see, you're worried about the fund overall. You don't want to see suddenly someone trading when it's normally trading like $1,000, suddenly there's a drawdown of $2,000 or $4,000, and let's say later it's $10,000. They need to be able to control that, which I understand. When you've got like so many you've got thousands of people who don't know what they're doing, it makes sense. So that's the I'm going on a rant here, aren't I? That's pretty much the issue I see, definitely in the I've expressed my fibers to express my disappointment as well. It's a bad move on the part, in my opinion. It looked like a scammer. Pikachu, I look like a scammer. Not sure what that means. So has Fivers put 3% drawdown on your main account, Yanis? Shane, they at the moment no. I think the next going to 275, it will be okay. But I know it's coming in September. So unless something changes, I don't know. Right, that's DXY, so we know that's happening. So what we can anticipate here is a push back into this area. Or a break, hit that level, back in to that level. This is like a breaker. Remember we did that video? So this is the low, created the high, came lower. If that breaks higher, this high, then these will be interesting buys here. That would be interesting to see. If that doesn't happen, means that the dollar will continue lower. And then if it's going lower, where it's going is to this monthly level here, which is roughly around the 100 number. So we'll see. Let's go on to our favorite. Oh, euro dollar. Look at that. These are buy-side liquidity that we put before we were on holiday, guys. Look how they're nice. They've been respected. Gold. Pound dollar. Right, let's clear it out. Remove all drawings. What are we seeing? So we know what dollar index is trying to do. You should contact them, says Sean. They might listen. I am in contact with the Fivers, and to be fair, they have been very, very good. I've had 2 meetings, and the Fivers guys, you can't beat them in terms of support. You can't beat them like they're just like a family sort of environment. Like Alex, Ruben, Toma, all of these guys, they're so approachable. You can literally drop them a text and they will jump on a Zoom call within minutes. So I don't think you can get that anywhere else. It's nothing against the Fivers. the issue that I'm having with the 3%, because that's a good, for some traders, that might be a good thing, you know, not risking more than 3%. The only problem is that it conflicts with my strategy. That's the only problem. Nothing bad about the Fivers. They've been one of the oldest prop firm. They've been there since the beginning. They're proven to pay out every month on time. So yeah, there's nothing against the Fivers. I love the Fivers. I love the community of the Fivers. Anna, all the traders that trade in the Fivers are just super cool guys and girls. The scruffy trader trades the Fivers. So there's so much legitimacy and so much good stuff. So it's only about me. I'm seeing it from an ego perspective, like how I am gonna be setting myself for success. Oh, and I didn't tell you about this. The other small copier, the test that we were doing with the repositioning, that blew up. So the repositioning for challenge, when I copied the boot camp, couldn't sustain it. So every time I was doing some profits, I was getting into a nice position, and then suddenly the 3% would just close my positions, and unfortunately I couldn't. That's what also gave me a little bit of fear in terms of what that could potentially do to my boot camp. Let's say I'm setting up for a move, and this is not a lot of money, 3%. You might think 3% is big. On a rainy day, think about it, on a 2,500 account, that's only 7 grand. That's not huge. And if something happens in the markets, there's a spike, something that you want to be, still want to see your trade play out, that's too close for me. Even though I'm not going to like try and trade that, it's too close. FX options wrap. US dollar falls early Tuesday ahead of existing home sales Fed appearances. Okay. Right. So let's look at the story, guys. You've seen the video. If you haven't seen the video, go and see the bias video, because nothing's changed. Look at this consolidation. We broke lower, took out the lows, created ultimate lows of the 103, came back up, and now we're in this area. Right here. Not quite to the pip this time. It's failed to step up here. This looks like golden zone, doesn't it? Look at this move. Boop. Boof. Straight in there. Let's see how accurate we are. My eye needs to be trained again. We're above golden zone. We've hit above 61.8, and we haven't reached that 76.4 yet, which I was predicting. We did hit the 103 though. I've deleted all my lines now. That was silly. We should have seen it. But let's start again. So what we're going to do is add these bad boys in here. Monthly 61.8. Michelle, I'll be joining them soon. Good to hear positive feedback for them. Yeah, nothing bad about the Fivers. You can't say anything bad about the Fivers. $38.2 and $23.6. Now, if you're in the Vanguard Discord, you know we're reading a book, which is we do the monthly book club, which is going to be, we've got 5 days left. So Rich, Dan, all the Vanguards, make sure you read the book, because we're going to have a detailed Q&A. Plus, so it's an extra Q&A of the weekly Q&A, which we're going to discuss the book. And we're going to talk about these. Why does price break when it closes above the 23.6? Tends to go and hit the 61A and the 0.5. Where did it stop? Look at this fair value gap here. ICT, fair values 2022. Boom. Right there. This is a monthly fair value gap. Where is that siding? 61.8. Failed to hit the 76.4. So that's an interesting area. I'm interested in that. Anything that can go and tapped into on the bottom side, not much, no inefficiencies, only down here. So let's add this one here. This is sell side, but it's also a fair value. So 117. I'm going to put that as sell side, but it's also a fair value gap. So we got the 61A, we've got the 50% here. We're in that, we've broken above that golden zone. No indications, big indications on the month that this is shaping to go, even though this looks like a continuation, so it's retraced, it's a continuation lower. Do I think that the pound dollar is going to go to parity? I don't know. I don't have that feeling that we're going to get 1-to-1. Might be wrong. This is where your fundamental analysis comes in. This is another fair value gap there on that 76.4. So this will be a nice, interesting area to see before Christmas, if this is an area where the pound dollar would like to go to. Let's see, that's a monthly again. Fair value gaps there, fair value gaps there, 76.4 there. Obviously, the biggest buy side liquidity that is gonna be tapped into 100% at some point. We're gonna be here for years. But this area here above, we can see it is so nice. That area in the 145 buy side liquidity there. Prime Tradix Never FOMO. I trade on the monthly. I don't trade on the monthly. I trade on the 5-minute, 15-minute. This is me opening the charts after 3 weeks of being absent. So I need to tune my eyes to what the bigger picture is. Even though we're trading down here, right? We're trading on a 5-minute. I know what's happened. I know, look at these, boom, rejections on that 61.8. Big push to go towards that 13, sorry, which is close to the next target on the upside, which would be the fair value gap and the 76.4. Even though we're trading down here, we need to know what's happening on a monthly basis. I need to know what's going on. Where are we? Is this going to be tapping into retracement to the 50%? Or is the goal to go up to that 76.4, which at the moment, we need to see how this month, obviously we're in August, so the seasonality comes in. Not a lot of trading happening right now. You can see the candles becoming smaller compared to like the big candles in October. So yes. However, if you don't like long-term bias, then maybe this is not for you. Weekly analysis. What do we see? Pretty much the same picture. Pound dollar. Just taking a second to tune my eyes to the price. We've got buy side liquidity above here, which we talked about, 76.4. Nothing new here. This is the area on the weekly, which is the sell side taken out. So we took out sell side, came back and found the highs of where the buy side liquidity is. So this is holding, and now we're getting some pin bars to the downside. Think of what we were looking at the DXY. DXY, we were in that angle coming down. So if it rejects that, we're going to see a push to the 76.4. If it doesn't reject that and it pushes above and does what we said, like the breaker, then we can anticipate a change of structure here and a push to the lower side. Where could it be going? 122. And if it is a sharp downside trade, we're looking at that sell side there. So that is the weekly. Let's go on the daily. And look at that, guys. If you're trading this, you're crazy. That's my opinion. Look at this. It's just nothing. There's no predictability here. There's nothing to analyze here. I'm hoping you can see that. And if you can see that, put glasses on. I'm going to be the first one to put them on. Where are they? Where are the Discord glasses? So, also guys, let's push that like button. Come on, 49 likes. We can do better than that. I know it's a New York session, so everyone's like, wait, what? Right, let's look at the daily. You can see the difference in the candles, right? This is just chop. Chop, 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 chop. Chopping. This is a move. We haven't broke the lows. So if you throw a fib on that, we haven't broken the lows, reacted at the 61.8, pushed down, and we're just hovering around that 61.8. That's where we are. Let's put the dailies in. August is such a funny month. So, previous daily high, previous daily low. Right there. Equilibrium. So we're currently in a discounted arena. Price is being reacted now, 10 o'clock. This is the equilibrium. Take that out. 15 minutes. Let's turn on our market sessions. We're in the New York Open kill zone. Midnight Arena was down here. Asia, 22 pips. London, 20 pips. Taking out the highs. Nice breaker here. Look at that. Pushed up. Created the low. Pushed higher. Took out liquidity above here. Broken lower. Came and found the highs. You could have entered here. Because technically you would get in there. So you would have to sit in a bit of heat of 10 pips. But it has gone on to deliver 50 pips. Nice move. I said it's chopped, but you can see there's a nice little trade there. Right, so midnight, let's put the midnight in. I like the horizontal ray, that's the open. If you hover over the candle, it will tell you the open, 127738, which is that one. Change that to a purple line. Have I got it? I've got it. Midnight open. So we traded above, took out buy side liquidity. London is so, I'm so familiar to trading London. New York is going to take some time. Buy side liquidity there. Created the little structure that we know and we like. Now we're tapped into sell side here. And we are seeing a push towards the previous London lows, Monday's lows, to take out the lows there. What do we have? This move has been there's no what's the word, imbalance there, so we've taken out this liquidity here. There is, however, if we take this out, there is a fair value gap there, so that is the short-term opportunity. If pound wants to come lower, which means, let's go fair value gap, which means dollar index is breaking above that structure. So now let's go on to the daily. Rejections, rejection, rejection, rejection. This is another push. So we'll see. We'll see if it breaks out. We've got the 104s there. We're trading at 103.6. Half a lot. All right, so we've seen that distribution of price. Let's go back on trading view. I'm not convinced this is breaking higher yet. If it's not breaking higher, there's an opportunity. Where is our pound? There's an opportunity here. Let's turn off the poll. So at the end of the poll, we had 51% other, fivers 34%, so that's about 30 people, 40 people. 9% TFT and 3% instant. Right, let's turn that back on. I do like this. Right, I'm going to break this into a 2. Right, reposition. We're going to be tight stops on this because it's a challenge. So we can't really reposition long because it has a daily drawdown. So if our idea is not right and it goes below, so what's this? $60. We'll see if this breaks lower. Let's go back on the day. Go on the 1 minute. So this is your sort of breaker. So you had the low here, create the high, lower low, above, came back, found the high. Now it's broken into this imbalance. You got imbalance there, which has been tapped into, and we do have imbalances. Let's go. Where's the zoom? Small imbalance there, small imbalance there, and this will be the highs. So this is what we're going to try and do. That is fair value gap. Okay. We'll see if that comes and taps in. Get your head right. Head right. Yanis. Hello. So this is an 100,000. So what we're going to do is going to start, as we always do, start building a bit of a buffer, right? So we start slow and then consistency comes in. When you're doing challenges, that is the biggest thing to get your head around. It's like, how can I create a good buffer where I can trade it safely without exposing the account too much and the rules and so on. So I can't remember what the stop loss rule is on this account. I should be knowing that. This is on your risk rewards. It's 1-to-1. I can't be on 28. So the plan here is to reposition down in this. If that continues lower, we'll just kill the trade. The problem with August is that these setups, they look great, but then it just becomes choppy. So we'll see. So the plan is to take this high here. Just completed second Fivers Bootcamp challenge. Well done, Rich. Smashing it. Smashing it. Rich, we got to know him in the Q&A. Fellow Vanguard. I haven't put the Discord on, have I? If you want to join our Discord, which I don't know why you wouldn't want to join. We got your link here. I'll pin it so people can click on it. I know some people find that this link expires. I'm not sure why it does that. Right, so technically we're about, what's that, $5, 5 per pip. So that's $5 now, 5 pips. Here comes the push above to find that liquidity. $30. We'll take that push. We'll take that push. It's too choppy at the moment. So what we're going to see is if that push is going to, I want to see how the market reacts, right? So we've taken, what's that, 10. So that would be like 7 pips. So if that pushes down, I just want to see how it reacts to this. If I'm going to be confirmed, so it would take the highs here, that would be 10 pips. It's filling up these fair values on this side. How can we re-enter this? We'll see if it comes and reattempts. This is what I'm worried about. This choppy, you know, these candles here coming in. Normally you would have a big break above and then it will come and retest. Have you chosen a regular or a swing? I think it's a regular. Regular. Let's see. So trading days 0 out of 3. So you have to trade within 3 days, I think. All right, so this is going to come back now. It's filling this fair value gap. The only reason we took early there very close to equilibrium. I just want to see if there is intention for the price to come and take the lows. But as you can see, there's not a lot of... the trade that we took now was this. We traded from here to here for... let's see the commissions actually. What's the commission? $3.50. I might copy these accounts, these two accounts. So whilst we're doing the challenge, we're also getting paid. So I've got the standard challenge phase 1. This is what we were worried about. We'll see now if this does a good old choppy day. It does allow copiers, so that's good. Balance rector. Let's go back onto our chart. You see what I mean? Our take profit for 10 pips would have been this move here. But like I said, I'm not convinced in this condition of a market that we get these kind of moves in August. So we need to be careful. You see how the movement is not very aggressive? The only clear movement that we had was from the London distribution down. That was nice. That. So now we need to see, is this going to reject the lows? If it rejects the lows, breaks higher, retraces, then okay, maybe we'll look at that. Let's look at the dollar index. Broke above, like we said. Now, there is potential that this can come down and tap into this. So, we're still not convinced that this break here is the break. We need more data. Data in the UK, data in Australia. Big wicks. Daily, 15-minute. It's just holding. It's not taking this here. What I'm looking at is this sell side here. What we'll do is enter on this here with a stop below the lows. And if it stops us out, then we can re-enter down here. Unfortunately, we can't reposition on this because it's maybe we can reposition one. So what level is that? That's 1273, tackling the sell side. Let's add a line where we're interested. We don't want any broker differences. At that high, we're going to get in. That swing high here, fair value gap there. If this breaks lower, then we're stopped out. Fill that fair value gap now. It's taken out sell side here. Bit of reaction on that. We're in discounted arena from the previous day. Here it comes. So we'll take that and we'll put a stop just below there. It could tap into liquidity there, so we need to be a bit, give it a bit of room. We're looking for another $20 plus commissions. And that's how you pass challenges, guys. It's the slow road, but it's the safe road. Someone might say, why don't you put like 2 lots, 3 lots? You can do it in like a few minutes. Doesn't work like that. So this will be 10 pips in a day. So 0.5 lots, half a lot, $50, 10 pips. So where do we reposition the second bit? Yeah, this looks like it's going for sell side. Let's see the lows. That's where we entered on that fair value that. So breaker here, came back, tap into that high, broke higher, gave us that move. We picked up that move. Now it's breaking lower, change of character if you want. However, we did have that fair value gap and we are holding these lows here. If these lows get taken out and we don't get a reaction, then the next obvious is the previous daily low. So we just wait. Bam, ba-da-dum. $7 per lot. Yeah, $3.50. That makes sense. See ya, Chromebook. How long did it take you to pass the fivers initially? 4 months. Yeah, it's a long trip. Prince Katri, can you explain the repositioning strategy? I do have some videos. If you go on Discord, our friend Marcel has done a great job on putting some videos in there saying when I've discussed the repositioning. I'm not going to be doing a lot of repositioning on this account just because I can't afford it as a challenge. Can't see the deal price. Let's see if we can help you with that. You mean let's put it there. Put it down there. Is that better? $15. Let's see, 5 minute. I mean, this is, if it doesn't break the lows, that's where it can go. But like anything in August, you can't take it for granted. So if we hit our 10 pips, oh, now you can't see it at all. Wait, let me just move it. Let's see. It's getting rejected there. Go on the 1 minute. I think you can see it now. We got there in the end. So this is a push lower, came back, filled that fair value. There's an actual, is that a gap there? Might be a gap there. Filled this fair value gap, could easily continue lower. However, this if it was a normal market condition, looked quite nice, but we didn't give us that distribution to the upside. Am I still in the States? Yes, I'm in the Berkshires. Berkshires. Can never say it right. Greetings, James. NASA, you should be able to see now the ticker and the deal. Oh, we're coming back to that high there. Attempt to break the lows now. That's very good to hear. Is it Syed? Syed Amir? Amir? How do you say your first name? Syed? I don't know. You have changed my life from your silver bullet video. I'm trying to master the strategy, and from last 2 weeks, I'm consistent in profit. That's great stuff. Love it. Let's get those likes up, guys. 64. We've got 130 people here. So some people are like either lazy or they're Jan, you need to trade your main account. Bam, bam, bam. One second. What time is it? It is 10:30. Oh, nice. One of the Discord members has given me a little... let's show this. A little chart here with the comparison. So I've done the standards regular. Leverage 1 to 200. Wow. So minimum trading days 3. 10% on each. Phase 1 days unlimited. Phase 2. So 5%, 10% first. So we need about $1,000, is it? Let's check the charts as well. Let's see if that pushes higher or not. Where'd my Discord go? $80% to 90% with scaling plan. Profit split. I like that. Weekend trading. Not allowed weekend trading. So I can't hold over the weekend. So I have to close in the day. Payout processing 1 business day. Nice. EAS enable with add-on. News trading, yes. Yes. Okay, so what's the other question I had? I think that's everything. So the difference in the nights, 1 step, allowed. So you pretty much can do everything. Max daily drawdown though, 3%. That's the same issue. 5%, still tight. Or did I do the 6 one? I might have added it. I think I added the 6. We'll find out. Taking out the highs. It's choppiness. Choppy. I should have taken that 19 pounds, dollars. Just show us a good, strong move. That's what we want to see. Oh, change the subscriber. Yeah, that is true. The next one is, you see that? You just have to take it when it gives it to you because it's so choppy. The subscribers, where is it? Oh, I need to do that. Stream. Look at that. Answered straight away with a red candle. It's just choppy. Go here. Dashboard. Where is it? Tools, overlays. Let's fix that. Right, the count now is going to be 8,000 we need to reach. And at 8,000, we're going to give away a free Vanguard membership, which is $20 a month. You get a weekly Q&A with all the Vanguards and myself. You can ask any question on the Discord. Look at the 5-minute clean silver bullet with 1 hour. Ready? Let's see. Oh wait, 1 minute. All right, the 1 hour. Hi, Jorge. When did I start the challenge? Literally now. Bought it yesterday. So I just want to show you guys how I would go about passing a challenge. So we'll see how we do. We're currently sitting on pretty much just above our daily. We want a bit more of the to hit that $50, so 10 pips. Yeah, I'm not convinced yet that this is not coming for the lows. We'll see. August is just... If it's tough to pass a challenge, passing it in August it's even harder. So I would say wait not to start a challenge yet, just because of the price action, which is just choppy. Let's see. What do we have here? Forex Factory. What's the news front? 22nd, not much. Let's hear some thoughts. Where are you guys? So where are you? Are you seeing bearish or bullish pound dollar? Costaδιnos, 11:30 UTC -4, trend bullish. Actually, I need to change my time because I'm not in UTC -4. Oh, that's 20, 23. Take that. So that is more than our $50. And that, my friends, is how we hit 10 pips. By 50p. So successful day one on the challenge. And that's what will make you. Let's have a little bit of a chat. If the camera works, let's see. Is the camera working? It's working. So let's recap. So we found the best move was in the London Open. We did get a nice entry with a breaker. It gave us a nice 12 pips. 6 pips. So we were looking for another 4 pips for the day. It came lower. We do have the fear that this can be going lower to the sell side liquidity. So we take our profits when we hit the extra 10 pips. So if we go back onto this, so you can see 33.50, $3.50 for half a lot. And then we had $3. I wish it was closed at 3.5. That would have given us the perfect $50. What is your strategy? So I trade pretty much ICT concepts. So we had the breaker move here, took out the lows, came up. That's a nice entry there. You would have to wait though for how far did that go down? You would have to sit in 5 pips. If you can hold that, that delivered. I got in here. It delivered a 10 pip. So that was a successful move. However, on this high, I wasn't very sure that this is going to be clean, because price action in August has been a bit funny. So that pushed lower, tapped into this fair value gap. Then we got that. We got an entry there. Failed to take the lows, and we took that there to a combination of 10 pips. Let's see the dashboard. Does it update or does it take a while? Account overview. Dashboard. It's a bit delayed. Wait, so so this is going to be, let's see, 50. It's not daily drawdown. Oh, that's cool. So if I show you, this is the account. Not sure why it's saying. It takes some time, I think. So now you're using stop losses, Ethan. This is a different account, right? This is the challenge. So I do need to use my stops. It gives you a nice little timer there, daily drawdown timer. So we need to make 10 grand on this. So I'm gonna have to trade bigger. For some reason, I got confused with the other account, which is 10K. All right, so we can trade bigger on this. We'll do that tomorrow. 100,000. I need to do some brain work on what's gonna be my lot for this. So basically what we have, let's have a look. That's delivered nice. So our daily loss is 6K. That's when they close the account. 10 lot income. All right, so if I want to pass the challenge in 10%, probably 2 months. There you go, updated. 4-1 profit. That's not right. Is there extra commissions? That's different than what is shown here. 49.50. That is saying that is 41. Not sure why. So we're gonna treat this as like a 6K. 6K. So let's build a little bit of a buffer on the first week. So let's build maybe $500, 30 lots. Right, so what we're gonna do on a 6,000, trying to think of when did I trade last 6,000. 0.5. We might be able to trade a 2 lot. I need to do some calculations. But what would do 2 lot would give us 200 a day. With the risk of sorry. What's my brain doing? There's a maximum loss of 12K. So we have a 12K account. 12K account, but we can't lose more than 6,000. We can't lose half the account pretty much. See what it delivered here. Nice delivery. Like it. So we would have made the trade regardless. It never came to attack the sell side. So we got in on this fair value. Gave us another 10 pips. 10 pips there. 10 pips there. Nice. And it's pushing. So we'll see if it breaks the highs and what the structure looks like that. So it looks like the dollar index is attempting to come and find the low side here. So we have sell side there. That is our sell side. So we'll see if it taps into that for a continuation lower. If that happens and we break structure here and it retraces back in, maybe we can enter again. We'll see. But overall, if you consider we're just trading, we traded half a lot, 10 pips. It's quite a good, successful day. Just got confused with the account size. We do have a bigger account. Price is pushing higher. Yatin, you have immense stamina with trading. I get tired after an hour of trading. Yeah, I mean, trading is always like solving a puzzle. It's also a mental game. Actually, let's see if we can show you here. Discord. No. Let's put this down. Right, so this is our Discord. So when you join Discord, you get access to the guild hall, actually, which is you have to go through the approval process, which is you send in a form. When you send a form, you get access to the rules. When you get the rules, you click on the rules, and that will give you access. You accept the rules, and that gives you access to guild hall, which is the tavern where you can chat with all the guys, chill out zones where Dangerous Brah gave us the nice little illustration there, daily loots, and so on. If you go on upgrade level and you upgrade to the Vanguard, it gives you access to the Vanguard. And the Vanguard is basically a chat where I get involved in as well. We've got our mindsets, we've got milestones, our trading profiles. We've also got our monthly book club, which is getting close. People are reading. That's me in Washington, D.C. Golden Nuggets, what we found from the book. It's pretty cool. Marcel is also very, very good at finding the little nuggets and putting it on there. We also do our Zoom meeting, which we join, and you get the recordings of these Zoom calls. I did a little presentation on NLP there. It's fun. That is if you upgrade to the $19.99, so £17 a month. You get 4 Q&As a month, which is kind of full, fun. What's happening here? Nice. That's a nice little trade there. for considering the price range, we've got 20 pips, take 10. That's good. All right. I don't know why this is certain 41. I don't like when things don't make sense. So that's win rate, loss rate, rules, daily loss. Is there no stop? You can trade without a stop? Any TFT traders in here? I don't see any instructions for the stops. There's competition. I'm not sure what that is. I need to check why the instant fund is not tradable yet. That's another thing I need to check after the live. You can trade without a stop loss. Okay. It's good to know. Where is it? Just got confirmation that the 8 cap application has been approved as well. So that's another broker we can use. I am looking for a good broker to trade my own funds. So we'll see. Competition is every month from the 1st. Okay. Top 20 get challenges, I think. Oh, so you have to sign up to a competition? I believe that you get your money back after you pass the challenge, right? So it's a no-brainer. No-brainer. But what we're going to do is use that money to feed another account, which is going to be my own account. This was definitely an eye-opener of, you know, how things can change. Price is going to come back, tap into that fair value gap. Now we're going to see if it breaks the lows. Where's our trading view? Came back up, filled that fair value gap. Now it's looking like there is some intention. This is interesting. You could argue that this created the high, created a lower, took liquidity, broke above, came back, filled here. That could be a nice breaker. Did you go raw or spread with 8 cap? I just opened a raw with them. As noticed, 30% discrepancy with brokers compared to fivers. FTMO with account for so I spoke to the guy. The phone call that came through, it was the broker to tell me that they've approved the account. Let me log in actually and see what we can get. This is just directly to 8cap. So it's not like a prop firm. We explained it to me that when a prop firm uses 8cap, they're just using, you don't have an account with them. You just, your broker, you're the people that do like the TFT. It's worth confirming right now. Wait, I've done this one. Give me a second. I'll see if I can show you my account. Da da da. Okay, so maybe they need more information. I'm not sure. Maybe that's why he was calling me. We'll see. I don't currently access to it, so. Just text them. Tapped into that. What did we say? We just said it. Into that fair value. Looks like it's going to continue lower. So Mart, I'm going to wait and see what the deal is with 8cap. Because they've got good spreads, 3.5, so $7 a lot. I don't mind that if the spread is good. He said that there's pretty much zero spreads. So sounds good. We can try it out. Took out liquidity, like we said, pushed higher, fill this fair value there. We'll see if it comes and finds this line here. Oh, good point, Corpez. Is there an 8cap? Pound USD. Oh, there is. Good man. All right, we're gonna have to. Lie, 8cap have awful spreads. Really? I have to try it in order to have an opinion. I can't give my thoughts until I've tried it myself. Right, so from tomorrow, I need to redo the analysis, but today we're going to stick with this. But you're right, we should look at 8cap since we're trading it. So the whole big picture about the afternoon is that we've hit sell side here, and now it's reacting and back up. T-Trader and our swap broker from 8cap to Think Market asked them. Kilonzo, I was in Discord where traders complained about 8cap spreads every week. I will let you know, guys. Since I'm trading it, I will let you know. On the demo, it was quite good, actually. Today it was quite good. The spread now is 0.2, so that's not bad. That's pretty much zero. Kalispera, by the way, from a Greek who lives in Barcelona. What's your name? T2 Anis. Danis? Fellow Greek? Unless it's Yanis. Tackling the highs. Look at that. One. Not bad there. Spreads look okay. It looks okay. If people are Danis, the gold, for instance, was on 12. Depends what you're trading. On the majors, it's pretty good. Did it tap in that liquidity? It did. Look at that rejection. Look how many pins. We're just hovering below that 61.8. Okay, so Sida Ahmed. Is it necessary to look at market structure, shift of structure? Should be taken out for taking trade. Please answer so a bullet. Right, so market structure. Give me a second. I think I've taken it out. I had the oh, we're breaking above now. So I had an indicator script. Is it this one? Let me see. I had it specifically for the silver bullet. Oh, Yanis. These are the sessions. Let me see if I can find it. No. Was it the Boy Toki? I might have to redo it. No, just playing around with that. Took out liquidity. I made it. In general, you want to get a shift on market, yes. So in order to get into the trade, but I want to, tomorrow's live, if you join, I'll make sure I have the indicator all set up again, which you can find on the YouTube I did. Let me see. Maybe I can do it quickly. Bam, bam. Don't know why I took it out, my indication. That's annoying. I need to make it again. All right, I think I found it. If you haven't seen the video, I use it as my little cheat sheet to see the times: 10 to 11, 2 to 3, and this is on -4, I believe, New York time. So I'm gonna do that now. Let's create the silver bullet. So what we're gonna do is just jump onto one of these. Let's do that one. Then we go here, edit. GMT -4. This is London silver bullet, and it will be 10 until 11. And then we need the New York. Oh, that was New York. New York silver bullet. Then we need the London. That's gonna be 3 a.m. until 4. Don't know why I didn't save it. Oh, you serious? No, I saved it. Until 4, I'll do that red. I like the New York orange. Then we had the afternoons. I thought I did the afternoon. Okay, so then we've got New York PM. And that's gonna be from 2 until 3. New York, London, and I think I only had those 3. Yeah, so we need the pips. This is going to be, we don't need this. Pips. Labels, we want them on the bottom, outside. And then press OK. So that's given us now the silver bullet. Let's hide that. Let's take that out. And what I want to do now, I don't like this box. Let me take that box. Information. Is that the box? Yeah. So now I need to go here. Pine editor. And I need to save this. Save script as silver bullet setup. Save. Does that work? There we go. Save. All right, let's close that. I like that. That's given us, it gives us the time and the high and the low. So that was the move. So remember, with silver bullet, we're looking for a draw to liquidity, right? Let's go back to our friend. So this is where we started. So we need to identify where is the draw to the liquidity. So as we were trading to the upper side, you could use, let's do the replay. Getting a bonus second video on silver bullet here. That's what we had before the start. This is on a minute. Let's do 1 minute. So candle comes in. It should indicate the start. So draw to liquidity. If you thought, here was the start, that this draw to liquidity is going to be to the upside here, you need to find a valid entry. Right, and that valid entry might be breaking above these highs, retracement into a fair value gap, push to the upper side. So the biggest question is, did this give 15 pips? No. So you can't trade that. Took out liquidity. Above. Came and filled this fair value gap here, like we said. Now, where is the most likely opportunity for liquidity draw is what's setting up above here. So you could enter on the fair value gap that we have, the bottom down here. Did it give you that? It did. How much is that? To the high of equilibrium, 14.15. That's a nice setup. So you take that, Doesn't go a lot in drawdown. Boom. 10 pips. Nice little silver bullet. Trade. Now my question is, 15 minute. It's gonna give me these drawings. Has it ruined my other indicator? Oops, something went wrong. Okay, is that there? New York, no. What is this? You see, I don't understand why it doesn't let me save two scripts. Right, let's see if we're going to get another entry here. We took out the highs, came back down. No imbalance really here, unless you got in there. We're trading at 1273. Choppy, choppy, chop. But you can see, like, even in a setup like this, you're looking for the max move. So you're trying to get 15 pips out of a 20 pip move. That's, you know, it's not a lot of volatility. I guess I don't mind having, where is it? Don't mind having this one. Silver bullet setup. Why is that saying breaker setup? What? Come on, trading view. What is wrong? Open. Cannot open script. That is annoying. I'm not sure why it does that. That can go. Just delete all these scripts. Just take everything out. I think 8 is also on TradingView. If you want to trade TradingView. I'm not sure what all this is doing. It's fixated on the breaker. Il Sugerson. Hey man, where have you been? We missed you, man. I've been on holiday. Been enjoying the holidays. Still technically on holiday. August is very weird to trade. Unless you traded this move. What did that give you? That was a nice trade. Look at that. That is 80 pip move. Getting 10 to 20 pips from an 80 pip move, that's where you need to be. So we took it out the Asian highs, created a breaker, and continuous distribution down to sell side. Beautiful. And we'll see if that continues down to a discounted level and sell side. Or is it going to go up to, like we said, the 61A to continue a long option to the 1-3s. The big questions. It has indeed. Well, August, like even ICT, I don't think it trades it. August, everyone's on holiday. Why wouldn't you be? Let me see if I can show you. I've got battery now, so I'll show you my surroundings. It's so beautiful. Ba-ba-bum. That goes there. The high tech. Come on, price. Show us some volatility. This is where it's all happening in New York. We did take 10 pips, which we actually should put it in there. We took what did we take? We traded the long positions. The The price was 127,300, and we took 30. What's that? So we did deposit dollars, USD, trading lot 0.5. So we took 6.6 pips on the first move. If you want to get your precise pip calculator, just put your dollar, what currency you're pairing, and then just put your lot size, and it will give you what you're making. And then we were looking for another $20, so that was another 5, maybe less, 4.5. $20, so 4 pips to get our 10 pips for the day. Not bad. Got $23. Obviously, we're going to change the lot size. 10 pips is 10 pips. If we had one lot there, we would get $100. If we had 2 lots, which is going to be the plan, we'd have $200. We're looking to gain 10K, so we can't trade too small. We'll be here forever. What was I doing? Getting distracted. Oh yeah, putting the results in. God, my brain. So we got, first move was 6.6 pips. And the second entry was at 127 to 400. 444. $127,244, and we got 4 pips. Total 10 pips. Okay, we got that there. Right, I'm going to do that. It's annoying me. I need to figure it out. The script is not saving, so I'm going to do pound dollar. I don't mind having the silver bullet in there. So go indicator, Forex market. So at the moment, what does it have? Just have the sessions. This is kind of cool. Like 80 pips in London, 34, 44. What does the news front look like? Euro news tomorrow, pound dollar flash manufacturing PMI, USD flash service PMI, unemployment claims, Fed Chair Powell. So Friday is going to definitely move the market around. Ba-da-dum. Right, I'm going to change this for the last time. So let's go here. News and range. What do I need for my trading? I need the kill zones. So I need London Open, kill zone. London, I like it in red. I don't trade it these days, but it's gonna have to do. We're gonna go with 0. So pre-market, 02 until 5. So we've got that. We need the New York Open. Kill zone orange. Do it lighter. I can't have another one. So got Asian range, London kill zone, New York kill zone. That's enough. We need pips. We don't need the information. And I want to save this as default. Okay. Looks better. Now, I need another one. So if I don't use Boitoki, maybe I'll do that so it doesn't change all the time. What about ICT kill zones? Let's see what that does. Asia. Let's hide this one. Oh, so it adds lines. Well, he's going for a lot tighter New York session there. Did I do a mistake? I did do a mistake. Oh no. Yes, I did do a mistake. Readjust. That's from 7. That's from 8. Two till 5, 8 till 12. That should be better. I don't know why he has it there. What's he got? 8 until 12. Okay. The Asian range, 8 to 12. That's good. Right, we're set. So I need to save that again. Save as default. Okay. I do like the horizontal lines of this. Maybe we can do... Too much info. Too much. Sessions on chart. That takes the whole one. There we go, high and low. That's nice. Kind of creates the same boxes without labels though. Labels? No. So what we could do, we could change these to the kill zone. I think we'll do that. Where is it? Did I close it? Style. So if we do London 3 till 4. New York, do 10 to 11. And we've got the PM session. It's not London, Tokyo. Can we change that? Can't change that. We will know it, which will be the New York afternoon 2 to 3. Let's see how that looks. Okay, so it puts this border here. If we go on the 1 minute, yeah, that's nice. So we know that's where it starts. If we go back here, that's the New York silver bullet. This is the New York kill zone. The green is the London silver bullet. And then the blue, we've got the range. And the yellow is the PM session from 2 till 3. Silver bullet. Nice. Let's do that. So if you're wondering what I did, go here, save that as default. Save. So sessions, and that is this one, Junior FX Addict. Or no, sorry, it's this one. Don't want to mess it up now. I'll leave it like that. We can go back and see. So we're all set. Do I see a reposition? And to take that out. Right, we've taken the highs. Let's see. So we're in the New York kill zone. And we've broken the highs. We're past kill zone. We had the silver bullet at equilibrium. Came up, found the base. That's the one issue. What's that, Raphael? Check out Euro USD on 5-minute trend consolidation as it looks like a piano. Yeah, price has been literally. I do think that we are looking for those highs here. Is it tradable? Not really, because the best trades were down here that we traded. The only way we can get involved again is we have a market structure to the downside. Let's see the dollar index actually. Took out the sell side like we said. gapping up. The little gap there. So if the push goes higher, that means the pound dollar will be coming down. Oh, the sessions indicator. Filled up that fair value gap. Let's see if we can change the camera now. Da, 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 da. Oh, there we go. It's updated. So it takes a while. $50, 10 pips. Yeah, we're gonna trade. We're gonna trade bigger on this. So we have a 12K account, and we've got a 6,000 daily stop, which is very close to what I have now on my bootcamp. So we're gonna see. But what we're gonna do is try and pass this challenge. Any money that comes from this, I'll throw it into a different broker. Use the copiers, multiple trades on multiple accounts, and slowly we'll build our big empire of funds. When you trade during London sessions, waking up at 2 a.m. not ideal right now. Yes, I'm going to mainly do London sessions. As you can see, I am more popular in London. The US crowd are not familiar with trading a lot of Forex. They're more indices. So when we're in Bali, for sure, I'll be trading my favorite pound dollar on the London cure zone. But we do have some US people, and this is a good opportunity for them. See some lives. Also, the guys from London can jump on afterwards and see it. Rajiv, wait, you're in London as well. What are you doing up? What time is it now? It's not too late. Don't you have your afternoon nap? He's probably just finished his work. Ta-da! Yeah, so we're gonna look at these challenges. Well, this is gonna be the one challenge. Everyone was banging about the funded trader, so we're gonna try that. The instant funds, it's instant, so that's quite good. And then obviously my Fivers account is, I'm gonna trade it. I'm gonna trade these accounts differently to my main account. So my main account, I'll do my repositioning. These accounts, it will be more into ICT concepts. Because you can't afford big drawdowns. So it will be good because then I'll get used to trading with a smaller drawdown, and maybe that will help for the main account. This is the original song that came up when we started doing the live trades. If you remember, we only had this song on. It was driving people crazy. $5 hours. So at 10 o'clock UK time, it resets. Yeah, it'll be fun. It'll be fun to see how it goes. Equal lows here. Da-da-da. All right, taking out liquidity. No imbalance here. We'll be waiting for the push lower if this is an actual shift. Low, taking out the highs. If this pushes lower, comes back, retest this, that would align with a push higher. A lot of gaps here. Look at this. There. This is what is coming to sort of rebalance now. Getting into that gap. First gap of that push. We've taken all the liquidity above here, here, and here. So if you are trailing your stops, imagine you're trailing your stop. There, taken out, taken out, taken out. Next one, up here. Now look at this Fibonacci retracement. Getting ready for my Rottweiler to take. Rottweilers, man, they're strong. Very strong. Broke below the 23. High probability that the DXY is going to push into that golden zone. It coincides with filling the gaps as well. So we're hitting the 38.2 now. Incoming 103. 103.557 into that 40s now. There we go. Half of the move has been retraced. Coming down to the 61.8. Remember the ICT, OTE entries? Let's see. Getting closer to that 61.8, 70, and 79. I like the traditional. Fibra trace. Let's get those likes to 100, guys. 5 more. Oh, I didn't change the camera. Let's see. Who's read that book? Let's see the geeks in the room. Can you tell what book that is with the dices? Change the camera. Bop, bop. He's back. Got his camera back. We need to say hello to our units. We do need to say hello to our units. They haven't been active for a long time. Today was the first time where they got involved. Good old Ragnar. Ragnar. It's been so idle for the last 3 months. Here he is. Here he is. Ready. Let's see. Price tackling the highs now. The choppiness continues. It's crazy, isn't it? Where's the DXY? Boom. Look at that prediction. I mean, look at that count. 61.8. Just like we said. Now, the question is this the continuation to find that line that we're talking about, breaking above, find balance, resettle itself, and push higher? There is imbalance there. It's a big fair value gap there on the 1 hour. So we need to identify if that is the area where the price is going to be for continuation to the upside. Let's see. And where they are, they're here, not desktop. Here he is, first big man. Second. Third. They're like, what? Are we back in? And fourth. Now this will be interesting how we utilize these guys on the challenge. Look at that. Retracement to 61.8 to the pip. Getting a reaction. We'll see if it goes up to those highs. Could we or should we be involved in that? Let's see. A lot of wicks, which shows indication for the lower side out on the 15-minute. If we go back on trading view, jump on the 15-minute, we're seeing that reaction. However, the push is to the downside on this. I wouldn't be surprised if we take the highs before it continues to the lower side. A lot of pushback though. Okay guys, that was a successful day one on our challenge. Obviously we're going to have a bigger lot size tomorrow. Possibly going to break them in by 1 and eventually into 2. Not quite the repositioning on these accounts, as we're going to be trading ICT concepts, London kill zone, not London, New York kill zone. Afternoon session, I'll keep an eye on that 2 o'clock silver bullet. And yeah, we'll slowly start building that account. We're going to see what happens on our main bootcamp. I'm having a meeting with the fivers to keep an update on that. And have a good one. See you tomorrow.
Self-esteem been padded, gotta keep on chugging. Ran through everything in front of me, might smoke bed in heaven. Got a whole agenda, can't aspire to get ahead, so bump that, it's no surrender.